is pork. That is our beautiful ribeye right there. I was going to get Wagyu or Kobe, but they don't have any of those, so I just got ribeye. We are going to cook it from our seat. A Michelin star ribeye made from Jonah Gabriel. So guys, I am loving this right now. I'm going to rate that. Hey guys, so we are now in Daewoo. We are gonna now check out the different stations. They've got a vegetable station, they've got a lot of stations actually. They've got a lot of seafood, shrimps, prawns. This is like the vegan area where like there's a bit of meat. And this is the steak. They have ribeye, this is the sauce area. This is the ice cream. There was tons of desserts. This is the chocolate, strawberries, vanilla, anything you could imagine. Like anything. That's chocolate. It's real time, baby. Is it on?
Not yet.
Oh, pork broken.
Yeah, what soup would you like to put in? It's not drinking soup, it's
No one asked, but that's okay. It's that story time today.
soup. It's water that
I'm not making it.
you get meat and you put it in here and it cooks it.
I have savory.
Savory tomato.
Yeah. That is my tomato soup.
So put it.
My dad just got me meatballs. And then after a few minutes, I'm gonna scoop it out, guys. I'm done putting my meatballs in. After I put my meatballs in, this is what it looks like. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. So guys, I am loving this right now. Our ribeye is still uncooked. I'm going to use my tongs to get the ribeye on the grill. Yeah. It's real time, baby. A few more minutes. All of our meatballs are out. Almost done. That side is absolutely perfect. Even Gordon Ramsay would have loved that. So now guys, we are going to try the meatballs. They're all saucy. Nom nom nom. That is pork.
Is what?
The best thing I've had in my life. So guys, this ribeye done. Over here we have our Michelin star ribeye made from Jonah Gabriel. So, let's try.
Jonah versus the fork.
Help me, I don't know how to use a fork. There we go, guys. Nothing happened right there. See? The steak is on the fork. Absolutely nothing happened. Good. That's amazing. I'm gonna rate that an 8 out of 10. Now we're gonna try it with the sauce. That's even worse, 1 out of 10.
Rich.
Having ramen for the first time in my life. I mean, I just had the thing. Like pasta, but Chinese version.
So really, my favorite has been the ramen.
Still make it hot. Ramen was your favorite. So guys, I'm gonna cook some octopus now. It looks quite disgusting, gooey, and yeah. So this is my grill over here. We each have our own grill. It looks quite messy. But it's not that messy. I'm gonna try it now. Okay. I would recommend you try some. squid. I mean, octopus. Now looking at my steak. It was actually really good. I tried the ribeye. If you go here, then definitely try the ribeye. Probably the best. It smelled probably the best smell I've ever had. And then that's my burnt steak right there. Boiling my potatoes, I guess, and steak, and oh yeah, those are like all the seasoning that you.
So guys, we have finished our main meal. So let's cut to the dessert.
And grow some watermelon. It's quite disgusting.
So we are done with Korean barbecue. It wasn't really that fun. Food wasn't that good.
That is best thing I've had in my life. That's amazing.
I'm going to rate that a 6 out of 10.
I'm gonna give you your rating.
It was really fun. There wasn't a wide range of things. A bit more meat and steaks, or maybe even chicken would be nice.
Oh, yes.
Already cooked chicken, but then they freeze it. I'm gonna rate it a solid 7 out of 10. Okay guys, now that is our video done for today. Hope you have a wonderful summer. Comment and like and subscribe, and have a very nice summer. Bye!